Hello guys, welcome to Japes TV. I'm here once again to just give a very quick update. This is again related to my fanboying journey. Today is the last stop of SB19 Simula at Wakas concert, and it was held in Perth, Australia. Shout out to all my fellow 18 or SB19 fans all over the world. I know na yung mga tutok na tutok sa kanila has been watching out sa announcement sa Perth stop. Marami na puyat sa kakaabang ng announcement, and finally meron na ang announcement sa page. Ano na naman, cryptic post na naman na kailangan kabila ng matinding utak and decrypt para malaman kung ano yung meaning behind their announcement. Yung announcement nila actually nag-produce ng maraming theories. Based sa nabasa ko sa X or sa Twitter, ang meaning ng post nila is wakas at simula. And wakas is dated on April 2026 and yung simula is dated January 2016. So those months will be very significant for us, for 18 especially. As I mentioned, yung announcement na yun is nagbunga ng maraming theories sa fandom, and others says na yung wakas daw is January, which is wakas ng simula at wakas EP, and that probably that will be their homecoming concert. It will be ended on January, and simula probably will be the next comeback EP or album. So I think that makes sense. But there are also other theories, like probably double album. One album will be January, and then second album will be April. Also others na nagte-theorize na baka one of those months will be announcement of, or finally presenting the girl group that they're training. So could be may iba rin nagsasabi na baka by January new EP, and then by April another start of a world tour. So ayun, actually halo-halo, ang dami-daming theories na nababasa ko, and nakaka-excite. So it's December and less than a month. It will be January, so we will get to know. Pero ang galing magtikal ng mind nito ng SB19. Kaya nako-curious na naman yung isip ng 18 na bulabog. In the next few days for sure, more theories will be coming out. Tingnan na natin kung sino-sino yung magiging tama by January and then by April. So I think kailangan kong bumalik early January sa Manila para abutan ko kung ano man ang meron silang pakulo by January. Salbahe din talaga itong SB19. Nagbabakasyon na tayo, pero they're giving us something to think or pagkaabalahan ng pag-iisip, ng ating pag-iisip. Sobrang galing nila mag-strategize ng marketing nila. Anyway, whatever it is, I'm just so excited na meron pa rin silang tuloy-tuloy yung magiging activities ng SB19. So, may look for tayo by January, and then another by April. Sana maisingit na din nila yung mga solos nila, pero yeah, I'm just so happy na tuloy-tuloy sila as a group. Hindi sila mag-hiatus. Gusto ko yung idea na double album and homecoming concert. So let's see kung ano yung magiging kung ano yung tama sa mga wala. May tumama ba, or mas smarter pa rin si SB19 kaysa sa 18. Let's see kung ano yung nilalaman ng wakas at simula na pakulo ng SB19. So thank you, and see you soon.